Hello everyone, this is puramodera and welcome to this channel. This time we're looking at my most recent build of the Aoshima's Super Asurada AKF-11 from the animation Future Grand Prix Cyber Formula 11. This is the 30th anniversary of the anime, and I have to say that all the car designs throughout the series are still looking really good. There are a good number of videos of this model on YouTube already, so I won't go into how the model fits together nor how to build it. Instead, I will focus on what I have done that is different than others. For starter, I wanted to add seatbelts to the model, but I couldn't find any photo etch seatbelt sets at my local hobby store nor online within my country. Instead of giving up, I turned to a resin 3D printer and learned how to use FreeCAD and made my own seatbelt buckles. For the seatbelt, I was going to use some 2mm wide masking tape from Aizu, but I ended up using a 2mm wide vinyl tape from Tamiya. Since the tapes are white in color, I just painted them with red. I am very pleased with the end result, but one thing about paint on vinyl tape is that they could be chipped very easily. Using my newfound knowledge on FreeCAD, I also created some mesh parts that goes into the engine intakes and exhaust. Whenever I choose to display this model with the engine extended, there is now a detailed mesh instead of a flat surface with a gap in the middle. I think it was last year that Variable Action High Spec released a Super Asurada AKF-11 with transformation capability. When I saw the product rendering videos, I immediately wanted to add carbon fiber texture on the suspension system in my model. Luckily, my local hobby store have a sheet of carbon fiber deco, and I decided to pick it up and use it on this build. For the side mirrors, I applied silver foil tapes to the indents, and I think this is a much better result than painting the area with silver or chrome silver paints. Finally, I added the burn metal effect to the engine exhaust by painting them with clear purple and clear blue. I hope you like what I did with this model, and if you want to see more videos of my future builds, please subscribe and comment. Until next time, let's keep building!